Alright, I'm going to attempt to do lesson 4, exercise 4, the last one in there. We'll grab that plane to sketch on. And if I were doing this part, I would just create a rectangle. So all the parts on lesson 4 I could pretty much build just knowing the rectangle command. It's a little bit wider than it is long. I think I'm just going to make it real easy. I think that's good enough. I don't know what size it is. I'm going to create another rectangle, and then I'll use the quick trim command. Got one happy closed profile. We're good to go. I'm gonna auto constrain this. So I'm controlling the notches. Oh, you know what? I wonder why. Maybe I missed that. Let's try this. Auto constrain that. Okay, I'm gonna highlight this whole profile and use those as my datums. Stack it. Set coincident to here and to here. And just like that, we're all done. Highlight this entire area and do a corner. Let's try it again. I'll highlight that area and I'll do a 1/8 inch radius. So I just typed in 1/8 inch into the field, hit enter, puts in 0.125. And there you have it. I can just go make my pad and it's all done. What I might do instead is to remove this one out, go to constraints, so I know my overall height. Okay, we'll just make sure everything is good by checking to see if it's constrained. And it's still all one happy closed profile, so I know I'm good to make a solid. Okay, so you should pretty much be able to do the rest, but I'll go ahead and continue here and make a pad. Oh, forgot to move the sketch. Let's go, I don't know what to do. Let's just go 8, preview, reverse the direction, select preview. Now all my numbers are on the front, select OK, and there you have it. Oh, I guess what I did want to show is creating a hole. I'm going to create a hole, and I'm going to use the top edge and this edge, and I'm going to pick on this face. So it will still measure from those edges, even though the face wasn't on the same surface. Okay, so we'll just put in another 1/4 inch hole, and we'll go all the way through. Preview that. I'll make this a 1/2 inch. I think this will be 1.5 inches. Select OK. I always encourage you to expand the tree so you know what you're working on. I want to take that hole and do a pattern. Most common mistake I see people make is they don't have the hole highlighted in the tree, so when I go to pattern, it wants to pattern the entire solid. That's why it says current solid over here. So if I try and go along this edge here for a direction, and I do several of these, it's going to pattern the entire piece. Okay, that can be fixed by highlighting current and then activating the hole so it'll only pattern the hole. Now I want to change the direction. I'll grab an edge and it should follow that edge going in that direction. I'll change the spacing to 1. Add one more hole for good measure. And that's the basic concept for lesson 4, exercise number 4. Alright, go have fun trying to reproduce that. See if you can just do it. If you need the video, you can stop and pause it. But other than that, that was it for this one. So hopefully that'll help you out. Good luck.